Skin whitening with nature's best. Learn how to even out your skin tone and boost your glow. In this video, I'll show you how to make a powerful skin whitening clay face mask at home using just 4 simple ingredients. This mask is perfect for all skin types and especially effective for dull, tired-looking skin. It helps reduce the appearance of hyperpigmentation and supports balanced melanin levels for a naturally fairer, more even-toned complexion. The ingredients you'll need: 1 tablespoon of green clay powder, half a tablespoon of kaolin clay powder, half a tablespoon of milk powder, and 1½ tablespoons of rose water, just enough to blend. Homemade Whitening Face Mask Preparation Guide. Firstly, add 1 tablespoon of green clay powder. Gives a visibly brighter complexion, detoxifies and purifies, draws out dirt, oil, and toxins from deep within pores. Ideal for oily and acne-prone skin. Tightens pores, boosts circulation, gently stimulates skin for a natural glow. Next, add half a tablespoon of kaolin clay powder. A gentle cleanser perfect for sensitive skin. Calms inflamed skin, improves skin texture. Then, add half a tablespoon of milk powder. Natural lactic acid gently exfoliates dull, pigmented skin, nourishes and moisturizes dry, flaky skin, softens skin and promotes a radiant glow. Contains proteins and enzymes that help reduce fine lines. Finally, add 1½ tablespoons of rose water, just enough to blend. Helps maintain the skin's natural pH level. Acts as a natural toner and minimizes pores. Mix well until you get a smooth, creamy paste. Your skin whitening clay mask is now ready to use. Whether you have oily, dry, sensitive, or combination skin, this DIY clay mask is a natural remedy that delivers visible results fast. Apply to clean skin, leave on for 10 to 15 minutes, and rinse for instantly brighter, smoother skin. You can prepare and store the dry mix in advance, and whenever you need it, just add a little rose water to create a fresh, single-use face mask.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more natural skincare videos, face mask recipes, and glow-up hacks. Share this video with anyone looking to whiten their skin naturally.